Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 13 of class 10th, that is surface areas and volume. So here are some important formulas to remember. The first one is that is area of the solids. That is surface area of the cuboid, that is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L is the length of the cuboid, B is the breadth, and H is the height. Second formula is surface area of a cube. If L is the side of the cube, the formula is 6L square. Third one is curved surface area of a cylinder. So that is equals to 2 pi RH. Next is total surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi R into R plus H. Next formula is curved surface area of a cone, that is equals to pi RL, where L is the slant height of the cone, and that is equals to square root of R square plus H square. The next one is total surface area of a sphere, that is equals to 4 pi R square. The next formula is curved surface area of a frustum of a cone, that is equals to pi, within bracket we have R1 plus R2 into L, where L is equals to, that is R1 minus R2 ka whole square plus H square, and it's a square root. The next one is total surface area of a frustum of a cone, that is pi R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R1 square plus R2 square. Next we have volumes of the solid. The first one is volume of a cuboid, that is L into B into H. Second one is volume of a cube, that is L cube. The third one is volume of a cylinder, that is pi R square H. The fourth one is volume of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi R square H. The fifth one is volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi R cube. The sixth one is volume of a frustum of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. Now, I had written all the formulas according to the shape. The first shape is, that is cube. And what is cube? Cube is a three-dimensional structure in which all the sides are equal. So here is the side A. So total surface area of a cube, that is equals to 6A square, because in cube we have 6 faces. The second part is, that is lateral or curved surface area of a cube. Now what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is those surface area in which we remove the base and top of the shape. Okay, so lateral surface area is that area in which we remove the area of base and top of the figure. So that is the surface area of the four faces, so that is equals to 4a square. Next one is the volume of the cube, that is equals to a cube. This is all about the cube. Now next shape is the second one, that is cuboid. So in cuboid, that is the shape in which length, breadth and height all are different. Okay, so total surface area of the cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, the next is curved surface area of the cuboid. Okay, in curved surface area we remove the surface area of base and top, so remaining is the area of the four walls, that is 2 into BH plus HL. After taking H common, we got here 2 into B plus L into H. The next one is volume of the cuboid, that is equals to L into B into H. Now the next shape is cylinder. Okay, the very common examples of the cylinder are, that is the well, then chalk. These are the examples of cylinder. Now the total surface area of the cylinder, that is equals to 2 pi R into R plus H. Second one is curved surface area of the cylinder, that is equals to 2 pi RH. Third one is volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. Now the next shape is cone. So a birthday cap is a very good example of cone. Okay. Total surface area of the cone, that is pi r into r plus L. Next is curved surface area of the cone, that is equals to pi r L. Next is volume of cone, that is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Here one question becomes, that is volume of cone, that is equals to 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder, because this one is the volume of the cylinder. So the question becomes, that is volume of cone, that is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Or the second type is volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. L is equals to, that is r square plus h square, which is the slant height of the cone, and this is the direct height. Now next we have, that is the frustum of a cone. If we cut down a birthday cap from the top, okay, then the shape we got is, that is the frustum of the cone, in which r1 is the topper radius and r2 is the bigger radius of the frustum of the cone. So total surface area of the frustum of cone, that is equals to pi r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus r2 square. Next is curved surface area, that is equals to pi into r1 plus r2 into L. The next one is volume of the frustum of cone, that is equals to 1 over 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. Next shape that comes in our mind, that is sphere, and a football, a cricket ball. These are the very good example of the sphere. So if r is the radius of the sphere, the total surface area is equals to 4 pi r square and volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. The next shape is, that is the hemisphere. Okay. If the hemisphere is hollow one, it means that one is empty. Then that one is the curved surface area, that is equals to 2 pi r square. And if the hemisphere is the solid one, then we have to find out the total surface area. So that is equals to 3 pi r square and volume is equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. After these formulas, we are going to do some MCQs related to this chapter. Now, our first MCQ question is, first one, formula for volume of the cone is. So the right option is option B, that is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Our second question is, formula for volume of the sphere is, and we know that the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The right answer is option B. Our next question is question number 3. Formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder, and we know that the formula is 2 pi rh. So option A is right. The next one is formula for total surface area of the sphere is, that is 4 pi r square. Next question is question number 5. What is the formula for surface area of a cone? The right one is option B, that is pi r L. The next one is volume of the sphere is, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the right option is option B. The next one is question number 7. Lateral surface area of a cone. So the lateral surface area means curved surface area of the cone. The right option is option B, that is pi r L. Next is question number 8. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? So that is 2 pi r h. The right option is option A. Next is, what is the volume of a cylinder? And we read that the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So the right option is option B. The next one is, the volume of a cone will be. The formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Correct this one here, pi r square h. And here is r square. Okay. The right option is option B, that is 1 over 3 pi r square h. Next one is what is the area of a sphere. So area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Formula for the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So right option is option C. Formula of volume of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. The next one is volume of a cylinder is, that is pi r square h. Next one is volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one is volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. So maximum formulas are asked in the MCQs. Write down two more formulas. These are volume of cylinder, that is equals to 3 into volume of cone, and volume of cone, that is equals to 1 by third of volume of the cylinder. So from here we got that if we fill one cylinder full with sand or with the water and try to fill the cone out of it, then we fill we can fill 3 cones out of it. So volume of cylinder is 3 into volume of the cone. This is all about for today. Thank you.